Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back.
Yeah.
Another joint venture video.
Welcome back.
Check out both channels to get all the angles. So, the 42-inch TV just had to go. You guys know recently we got a PlayStation. Well, I did buy a package deal, but it was two different shippers. So, the beast came in today. And I don't really know anything about Bolva other than a video that I saw on YouTube, which was comparing like a 50 or 53 inch against a Samsung. Other than that, I know nothing about these. There's not a lot of info out there. But we're going to have some now.
Alright. So we release these now?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta move this.
Hang on.
Get in.
So, for those of you who know about my Aptron tower, I got it from MDG, and that's the same place I actually got, we got the TV and the PlayStation from. So, we like dealing with them. You pay a little bit more, but at least you get monthly payments and you can afford, you know, pretty much whatever you want up to their $3,500 limit, so, you know, figure what the heck. And if you do have poor credit, then it's not a big deal because it'll help your credit rating out. Now, even though you generally lift these things up, once you remove those clips, I wanted to make sure about anything else, and I was right. We do have extra parts.
Manual and the remote.
Okay.
And the feet. The feet are here.
And we've got some screws for the feet.
And then the main TV is all encased in styrofoam. Well cushioned. Which is good. There, ooh, shiny.
Only until the dust bunnies get at it.
This has got left on it.
Yeah, this one's right.
Yeah.
Like, really needed to know that.
Apparently we did.
You need a screwdriver though.
A screwdriver? Oh yeah, for the screws. Alright.
Yeah, right. You want to check and see if my famous screwdriver is over there?
Looking for Timmy. Nope, it's not. No Timmy.
No. Figured out some other way.
Okay. Packing.
Okay, so you lift that end straight up. I'll lift this end up. Okay, take it your way.
Styrofoam, styrofoam.
Okay, so we're going to have to carefully put this on the couch. Hold that, don't let go.
No.
Loads of fun, guys, loads of fun.
Yeah.
About our first time, about 15 years unpacking a brand spanking new TV set.
Yeah, yeah. The LG 42-inch now is going to be our bedroom TV.
Upgrade from 20-inch.
It still works, so why not, right?
Alright,
so where are we?
You have to grab an edge on the outside edge. Okay, put it crossways.
Alright, I'm working on it. Trying to get the styrofoam off.
Grab the bottom and the top. Do not touch the screen. On this way.
Alright.
Okay, lay her down on the couch.
Down further so it's flat.
Alright. Just pull a little bit of this out of the way.
Sorry guys, you're not seeing all of this because the angles aren't right on the cameras.
Grab me. Never mind. Alright, it's the best I can do, guys.
There we go. Oh, without cutting the wire.
Hold the wire back there.
There we go.
Alright, so we need a left foot and a right foot.
Wow, this is big.
So this is going to be the left.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Oh boy.
Well, that's kind of funky.
Shows like a twist thing on that.
Yeah. Yeah, it has an angle to it. Yeah, it would go on the inside like that.
Oh, split screen on the video games is going to be so much better now. Hey?
Yeah. I do not like the way that is sitting.
This thing has 3 HDMIs, yellow, white, and red, RJ45 jack, optical, headphones. Oh my goodness.
Yep. I was right.
What?
Just go this way.
Yeah.
Well.
Trade spots. There's your screws. Feet out.
What I've done. That's why I want like magnetic screwdrivers.
we gonna do this now?
You're up.
Where are we going?
Hand it up first.
Take the plastic off.
Not until it's on the thing.
What?
That just barely goes. Tricky placement.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Sorry,
It
flush
just,
it back.
wow. That's sick. I don't like that though.
Want to move them in more?
It's not about moving them in. It's actually about the depth. I don't trust the depth.
So take these right off and you got solid speaker.
Yeah, but it's the height. Alright guys, we'll be back in a few minutes. Instant for you. Okay guys, it's set up. Interesting to get this thing figured out. I actually, one of the things I should have mentioned earlier was I bought an optical converter box, because this has optical out, but it looks like it also has a standard headphone out jack too on the back, which is something I didn't see in the advertisement other than optical. So I bought a converter box, but who cares? Got digital optical out for the audio. Anyway, so this is our Need for Speed. And if you check out my wife's channel, she'll have her own video game showing on this and what the coloration palette is going to be like to a certain degree anyways, from what you can see on camera. But wow, what a difference over a 42-inch screen already.
Yeah.
Like,
night and day.
yeah, so anyways, my game is loading up and we'll just do a little bit of free driving just for fun. And but so far it's pretty good. No damage to the box at all anywhere or to the TV. Putting the legs on was actually my wild guess without reading the book, and turned out we got them on correctly, so that's good. Because they can only go on one way or they just won't seat right on the pins. So there is only one way to actually put the left side or the right side on. And then once you've removed your big plastic sheet, there's some tape stuff that's all around the framing. But wow, this is
$22 a year electrical use.
at 5 hours a day.
At 5 hours a day.
That's pretty cheap to run a big TV like this. I think that's more power effective than our 42-inch.
Well, yeah,
Which
technology.
I'm now be lucky to get turned on once or twice a month.
Technology increased, yeah.
Yeah, because we don't watch a lot of TV in our bedroom anyways, but it's nice to have it there if we do want it. Wow. Oh, baby. That's a lot nicer to
Talk
look
about
at.
immersive, eh? Like, you're
Yeah.
right there.
Don't want to get too much closer to that TV. And this is 4K, by the way, guys.
Yeah. 4K Ultra.
Yeah, 4K ultra high def.
Might be a useful part around here. I should check it out.
Ouch.
There should be a useful part around here. I should check it out.
Oh, another derelict part. I gotta go snag that after. But it looks like the color is actually really good. I mean, it's definitely a little better than our LG was, that's for sure, for color palette. And this is no factory messing around with. Like, just turn the power on, swap her to the HDMI bus, and away you go. Nothing else to do. That looks really good. Like, we tweaked our LG a long time ago. And, but this one, nah, no need to. That's actually really good. Like, even the green leaves look green. Now, of course, we didn't buy this just for gaming on either, so Oh,
Watch out!
yeah, I know. I gotta learn to drive again.
So, but due to monetization, we can't show TV shows.
That's
so.
right. Oh, yeah, that's where I wanted to go. Hey, get back here. That
Might be a
was...
useful part around here. I should check it out.
There's my derelict part right there. I'm gonna snag that now, if I can. Derelict parts, the chassis are easy to get at. The other parts, not so easy. Yeah, we're gonna have to jump it. Yeah, we have to jump to get at it. Okay, at least I know where it is. I'll do that later. It's probably gonna take me about 10 tries. The last one I had to do a jump on too to get the stupid part. And I've got 2 derelict chassis now. One's a Mustang and one, I can't remember the other one. But anyways, that is pretty sick. There's our map. And I mean, greens and yellows and blues, they look really good. I can't wait to watch Avatar tonight, because that's actually our first official movie we're going to watch on this TV. When it gets really dark outside and we can just chill, and we're going to watch Avatar. And of course we have this hooked into our home stereo, so yeah, it can get pretty obnoxious in here. 15-inch drivers in those speakers, kids. Anyway, so this ends my video portion. So far I'm pretty impressed. I will definitely have a review for you guys for sure. The one thing I can definitely say right away is that I do feel that the remote is a little on the cheapish side. It looks good, but it's kind of on the, it feels cheapy on the clickies. Other than that, it's fine. I don't care for Netflix, YouTube, or, you know, any of that smart TV garbage on a smart TV, because this is a smart TV. But that's okay. You don't have to use those features anyway. If I want to watch YouTube, that's what I got a computer for. But anyways, thank you so much for sticking around and checking this out. And yeah, this is looking good. I'll let you guys know over time if I think you guys should buy one or not. But right now, it's looking pretty good. Catch you in the next one.